Need a new surfboard? Do you want to learn how to surf? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best surfboards that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Giantex 6-foot durable surfboard. An affordable surfboard that is suitable for beginners, professionals, kids and adults. That's what this Giantex number is. Constructed from a reliable foam, EPS core, EPE deck and PP materials, it ensures the achievement of the highest speed possible without sacrificing safety. You will find a leash and transaction pad included in the pack, which means that no additional purchases will have to be made. The board's fishtail provides the board with the traction needed to conquer the stubborn waves, while the removable fins make it easy to carry the board with you wherever you go. With a weight capacity reaching 200 pounds, there is no doubt that you will be able to freely use your board and not worry about it breaking. The ocean is calling and I must go perfectly applies to this surfboard. Take it with you to your next trip to the sandy white beaches of Australia or the hot resorts in GOA and surf till you drop. Pros. A great starter board for those just getting familiarized with surfing. Made from durable materials. One of the most affordable options on the market. Cons. Requires assembling. Number 2. South Bay Premium Surfboard. No matter what board size you choose, you get a high-quality piece of surfing equipment that will serve you a long time. Pick a 8 to 9 foot one if you are just starting out or a 7 foot one if you have some surfing experience, and be prepared to get asked where you got your surfboard from. This South Bay board surfboard is known for its wax-free fingerprint textured top deck, screw and amp, leash plug and HDPE reinforced bottom deck. You will find 3 fins placed on the bottom of the board for the maintenance of speed and a round rubber bumper tail for the board's safe vertical storage. The construction of the board is quite durable. There is an EPS closed-cell foam core, a PVC-lined waterproof fin holes and a capacity of up to 200 pounds. Pros. The double concave bottom deck ensures the high speed of the board. It's durable and will last. A good board to improve on. Cons. If you're not serious about getting good. Number 3. Boardworks Froth Surfboard. The top stand-up paddle surf company in the world, Boardworks, released a set of surfboards for every surfer out there. From kid-friendly 5 feet 6 inches to adult-suitable 9-inch, there is hardly any age/weight/skill level group that is missed. The Froth model is distinguished by its high-density EVA outer skin and a fully glassed EPS foam core that make up a safe and, most importantly, durable board. The board comes with fin boxes and fins that help to accelerate when spotting the closely approaching wave. Regardless of whether you are looking into taking some private surfing lessons or are planning on advancing your surfing skills, you will find the board that meets your requirements. Gift a fun board to your kid for his next birthday, or to your wife who always wanted to explore this water sport and look forward to family fun every weekend. Don't forget, however, to wax the board for extra traction before you venture out to the ocean, and you are bound to have the time of your life riding the waves. Pros. There are tons of surfboard sizes to choose from. The construction is sturdy and proves to last you at least a few consecutive years of continuous use. The company has earned a great reputation on the surfing equipment market. Cons. The price tag is high. Number 4. California Surfboard. How important is comfort for you? If it's on top of your priority list, then the California Board Company Fish Surfboard is the right choice. It is thick yet lightweight enough to stay afloat during the strongest of the wave storms. It is secure enough to hold your ankle attached to the board with the neoprene padded strap. It is durable enough to last you many years and not break apart thanks to the built-in multi-layered wood stringers polished with a waterproof resin. The surfboard's leash has molded fittings, its bottom features an IXPE slick material, and its fine system has 3 fins. You can surf all day long without having to take many breaks in between due to the board's convenient structure and surf-friendly dimensions. Take it with you to the weekend getaway to the seaside and put your surfing skills to test with this surfboard in use. We assure you that you will have a lot of fun exploiting the board and looking back at the instant camera pictures taken by your friends and family. Pros. The structure of the board is of high quality. Surfboard's dimensions allow you to take it with you wherever you go. The neoprene ankle strap feels comfortable on the leg. Cons. The price tag is high. Number 5. Rocket 6-foot Albert Surfboard. Here's a sustainable surfboard for all of you living eco-friendly lifestyles. The Rocket Albert Surfboard checks all the marks. It is made from recyclable EPS foam that won't end up in the landfill when the time to part with your board comes. There are 2 stringers and a 6-ounce fiberglass cloth located under the board's soft top that enhances the board's rigidity and overall durability. The floatable twin-fin design allows you to smoothly glide through the waves without worrying about slipping off or seriously injuring yourself. Kids and adults weighing less than 175 pounds will find this surfboard comfortable to use in a variety of weather conditions. Its volume of 35.4 liters means that you will be able to ride small and medium-sized waves with no issues. Pack it with you whenever you are heading out to your next vacation somewhere in the sandy tropics and test it on yourself or your kids. You will quickly fall in love with the surfboard's versatility and ease of use. Pros. The twin-fin design is stylish and unique to this surfboard. The surfboard is kid and adult friendly. It is able to withstand up to 175 pounds of weight. Cons. Not suitable for professional surfers.